In this video, I'm going to try to take a dropshipping store from $0 to $1,000 as a complete beginner with no money. That means I can't buy paid ads, buy the product for promo, or anything else a typical dropshipper does. So I chose TikTok Organic by finding a viral product and promoting it organically on TikTok. Find a winning product on TikTok, search Amazon Finds or TikTok Made Me Buy It, and filter for the most liked videos in the past 24 hours. This will show you some products that are starting to gain some traction but aren't super oversaturated. So if you start selling them on a better site with stronger ad copies, there's no way you couldn't get sales. So right now I'm going to keep scrolling until I find a valid product. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes and I found a couple bangers. First is this color changing glow board that you can write notes or draw on. And second is this rub off hair remover that probably every girl will want to use. They're both great products, but I can only choose one. I chose the glow board because it's actually the perfect product for $0 dropshipping, because it has lots of viral worthy videos that I can repost. The product photos are HD. It's not an elegant product, so the website doesn't have to look very professional. And so the store is officially done. It took around 4 hours to build, and I tried to give it the best glow in the dark vibe that I could possibly give it. So if we look at the store's homepage, you can see this nice multicolored logo, which matches the gift behind the glow board text. You scroll down, you see the product page and have a great HD photo, which is kind of hard to find for $0 dropshipping, but we managed to get it. And then the 7 colors that's available, how to use it, etc. And I priced it at $24.99 because all the competitors were at $29.99. And lastly, we have the reviews that look very nice with the store theme. Okay, now that the store is set up, it's time to acquire some customers. I'm going to scavenge TikTok for some glow board videos, download them, re-edit them, and spam post them for the rest of the day. I'm pretty confident we'll get some viral content within day 1 because the glow board video is very viral content.
I'm too shy to tell her, so I tried with this.
And weird videos like that usually blow up. So guys, as I was trying to post another batch of viral videos, you will not believe the result. The account got permanently banned. But don't worry, I have a few ideas to fix this problem and reach the $1,000 goal. Firstly, I'm gonna create a new TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts account because your first video on all those platforms can go viral. I'm gonna try to make sure we accomplish this goal by affiliate marketing, aka influencers promote my product, and if they generate sales, they get a percentage of those sales and we keep the rest of the profit. So I was able to get one influencer to agree with me. It already has 7K views in the first hour of posting. If it keeps growing at this rate, we can see a massive influx of new sales. And by the way, TikTok went ahead and banned the other account I made, so the sales may purely come from influencers. So I came up with another idea. It's by posting the glow board videos on Snapchat Spotlight. For those who aren't familiar with Spotlight, basically, if you post a video and it goes viral, you get paid a lot of money, like 10 to 250 grand. So I'm thinking if these videos get views on Snapchat, they'll bring customers to my store, resulting in sales. And if it manages to go viral, I can make well over $1,000 from the glow board without even selling it. So my influencer's video got around 12,000 views before getting taken down. My Instagram account took some inspiration from TikTok because that also got banned. But the videos on YouTube are starting to pop off. All of the videos have over 100 views. This specific video has gained 3K views in the last hour. So there's definitely a chance that it goes viral. And speaking of viral, the Snapchat Spotlights are doing very well. In total, they have around 50K views, which is great for exposure, but unfortunately it's not enough to give me some insane amount of money. And because of that, I decided to text everyone who added the glow board account, told them why they should buy it. Most people left me on open, a few said yes, and this one guy said he would buy if I was a hot girl and sent them adult photos.
Horny police, open up!
So let's hope that we can get $1,000 worth of sales overnight. Now it's time for what you guys been waiting for. I got a total of 110K views across social media, which brought 186 visitors to my store. They spent the grand total of $50,000. Site, they actually spent $0. Please subscribe if you want to see me actually complete this challenge.